Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to look at how to handle error, and we can do this by specifying on error option with copy command. Before going forward, one request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to grow the channel. So let's get started. First of all, create a stage. Stage is created. Let's put some file into this stage using SnowSQL. We already log in with SnowSQL. Here using wildcard, and we already learned how to put this file and how to load this file into stage in previous video. We can create this data set by using Python script. I also put this Python script in description box, so you can also create, and we are on with same page. Okay, here you can put here file name and specify number of row. So that's number of row file created by using this script, Python script. Okay, now let's see the stage data. There is two files in this stage which I loaded successfully. If you want to remove any file, you can use remove command with stage name, and whatever you want to remove file you can specify here, and also you can use wildcard to remove all wildcard file. Let's create table for demonstration with order ID, amount, profit, quantity, category and subcategory, here specifying data type also. Let's have a look at data file also. Here order ID, amount, profit, quantity, category and subcategory, and we intentionally put here text value to demonstrate error. Here 60 and 50, this is text value, so it's obviously give error while loading data. Okay, so let's move to snow side. Let's see have error message while loading this data file, and this data file contain error as we see in this text value contain, and it's expect only integer value because this specify here integer data type in profit column. Okay, so let's have a look at error message. Here 60 value not recognize numeric value because it expect integer value, and here also see the error message. We can use here on error option or escape file option and continue option. We see all these option, we see all these example in this video. Let's verify in this table nothing has been loaded. You can see here nothing data loaded. Okay, now use on error option to skip any error, and this on error continue tell that copy command that if any error occur, please continue loading data and ignore that error. Okay, so let's see here 1000 row pass and only 98 row loaded, and two errors seen here, and here see error message numeric value 60 is not recognized, and first line number 2 character 13, and column number also specify here profit column, and here you can see here 1000 row. Okay, and two error occur here, and you can verify this. Let's verify in table also. Here data loaded successfully, count the number of row, here 98. Okay, let's truncate again this table to see another example. Table truncated by default on error option is abort, means completely ignored this nothing loaded by using on error abort statement. Okay, let's see. You can see here nothing loaded by using abort option with any file that contain error. Let's validate nothing loaded. Okay, let's truncate again this table to see another example. Now we are going to use on error with skip file. Skip file tell that copy command whatever file contain error, completely skip that file. Okay, so this file contain error and this file completely skip by while loading data into table. Let's see, execute this statement. Here this file contain error, so nothing loaded, and this file not contain any error, so completely loaded. 15 row passed and 15 row loaded, and nothing error seen here, and this error completely skip and nothing loaded, and see error message. Okay, profit column contain error. Let's verify data loaded into order table. Let's count number of row, only 1500 row data loaded. Let's truncate again this table to see another example. Now we can also specify number of error limit by using skip underscore 5 skip underscore 3. 3 means we can load data up to 3 error limit. Here specify 3 is error limit. If more than 3 exceed, then completely skip, otherwise load. So if I execute this statement, you can see here only error limit is 3 and here error only 2 occurs, so it's loaded. If I specify here 2, so completely skip. Okay, first truncate this table. Now you can see here the second this file loaded completely, but this file completely skip because here put here error limit. Okay, you can specify one as well. First truncate this table and execute this statement. Here error limit is 1, but here 2 errors in, so it's completely skip. Okay, if you put here 4 error limit, first truncate this table and now execute this statement. Now error limit is 4 here, so only 2 error occur, so it's loaded partially. Okay, here partially loaded. Let's verify. Let's count. 2498 data loaded and 2 error occur. Let's truncate again this table to see another example. Now we can use here any dynamic value called percentage, and 3% of 1000 row is 30 and 1500 of 3% is 45. So it's dynamic error limit, and if exceed any error limit, then skip that file, otherwise partially loaded. Here you can see here 3% of 3% of 1000 row is 30 and 1500 is 45 error limit. If exceed any error more than 30 error limit, so it's skip that file, otherwise partially loaded. In our case, less than error limit. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.